Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you here, I'm Liliana, and this channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. So in today's video, it's going to be a different video because normally I always make these out of the top, like kind of cakes. Today is going to be a very simple one. The reason why I wanted to do this cake in this tutorial is to show you that the cake itself looks so intricate and so complicated, but yet it's so easy. All you need is really a cake that is covered, that doesn't have to be perfectly covered, and cookies. So if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So for this particular cake, I decided to do a marshmallow, a buttercream frosting that goes very well with Oreos. It's very easy to make. It's basically 1 cup of unsalted butter with 4 cups of powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and 1 jar of marshmallow fluff. You're going to start off by beating your butter, making sure that it's nice and fluffy, and you're going to add your powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, making sure to start on low and increasing the speed. So you're going to mix in until it's nice and all combined and very fluffy, and you're going to finish off by adding your marshmallow fluff with your vanilla extract, and you're going to beat until there's no more grains to your frosting. This particular frosting, I'm letting you know right now, it's very sticky and it's very sugary, but it's so good, and like I said, it goes very well with Oreo. So if you want to do some kind of a cookie and cream cake, this is the perfect frosting for it. The link of the recipe will be in my description box down below, and you can go ahead and follow the link and print it out of my blog. Once your cake is completely covered, you can go ahead and place all your cookies around your cake. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. It's a very simple one this week, but I wanted to show you that you don't have to be always extravagant. You can actually create a very amazing cake with you know, material or stuff that you wouldn't think about. So placing cookies like this all the way around, it gives it such a nice modern look to it. And the top of the cake, you can literally do whatever you want. You can place flowers, chocolate, just a cake topper, and that's it. And by the way, those Pockies are just gonna stick right to your icing, because the icing is a little bit tacky, so it's not like a normal buttercream icing. It's a little bit more stickier, so, and they're just gonna stick right there and they're not gonna fall. If ever you're scared, you can also have them attached with a bow all the way around, and that's going to be a different look and a very cute one also. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.